Hi friends, welcome to SSStock Alerts channel. In this video, we'll talk about how to install our website as an application in the desktop as well as in the mobiles. So most of the people are requesting for the mobile app from our web for our website. So currently it is in under development. Meanwhile, we can use this feature as a application. So let us start how to install this as an application. Okay, so just open your browser either in the Chrome or in Edge browser. So just go to our website, and whenever you go to website, there is a link here. It is a app is available. Click here so that it will pop up whether you want to install this as an application. So click on install it for now. So once you install it, it will show you create a desktop icon. So select this and click on allow. So once you this, so this is done, that's all. So same thing you can do from your mobile also, so that it will install as a application for Android and iOS apps. Okay, so let me close this and open it again in my system. Okay, so whenever I am opening here, and if you see there is an icon is added here in my desktop, so I'll click on it. It will open the browser. It will open in the app in separate space, not in the browser. So here you can go to our things, like you can see all the deals, like you can use it like our website. This is like an application. And if you want to see what are the new features are coming for last 6 months, you can go here in this page. So there is a high level updates in this page, but we'll be coming up with a one video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.